In today's how-to video, I will be showing you how to install HO scale Kadee couplers on box cars, freight cars, oil tanker cars. So let's get started. So in today's how-to video, the only tools you're really going to need is either a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver, depending on what kind of screw you have your wheels mounted to the body of your HO scale train on. Installing these KB couplers is pretty straightforward. It really depends on how your couplers are initially attached to the body of your boxcar, or it could be a freight train engine, a caboose, or whatever. But it's pretty straightforward. With these older Athearn kits, and these are all kits I built, and they were a while ago. So they usually have a metal clip on the bottom that you pry up with a little screwdriver, and you just twist it up, you take it out, and it's pretty straightforward, and that's what it looks like. And that's what the factory coupler looks like. This is what the new Kadee coupler looks like, all made of metal spring. Looks very realistic. And if I can focus it right, is the copper plate that goes on the bottom, and they have little springs on the sides that they make the coupler, make sure the coupler is in the center. And as you can see, if you go too far, you may break them. So don't do what I just did. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab another one. But you live and learn. My mistake is your gain. So here's another one. You see that little spring there? So you place that into where your coupler is going to be seated. Just take your flathead screwdriver, press it down, make sure it's firmly placed. And of course my fat hands are in the way here. But anyway, as soon as you get the coupler placed on, put your metal cap back on and snap it back in place. Now on some freight cars, you may have a screw that's attached that attaches the coupler to the main body. So that's a possibility. If that's the case, all you need is a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver. And this is what it looks like installed. And it should spring back and forth just like that. So that's working perfect. And that's what we're looking for. So I got 3 other box cars I'm going to be doing this on. And so what I want to do now is install the wheels back on. And of course my fat hand is in the way. How about that? There we go. And as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward, fast process. Didn't take me very long to do this project. But with installing these couplers, each train will go together really smoothly, and they won't come apart too on the track. So I'm going to do the same for this side. So here is just another angle. But hopefully you can see what I'm doing a lot easier. Again, having the right tool for the right job makes life so much easier. So luckily these Athearn Old Athearn boxcars came with a metal plate that holds the coupler in place, so it makes it real easy to take off. So I go ahead and put the brass, I guess you would call it like a spring plate. And you put your coupler on, line it up over the little nipple there, put your metal plate over, and there's a little notch on each side that it allows that metal plate to snap in. So hopefully I can give you guys a good view of what that actually looks like. Just make sure it's in firmly. And that works perfect. It's doing exactly what you want it to do. Now what I want to do is go ahead and install the wheels back on. And like I said, your wheels will be attached either with a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips head screwdriver. And you don't want to over tight these because you are screwing into plastic, so keep that in mind. Okay, that's on snug. I want to back it out just a tiny bit. Perfect. So that's what that looks like. And they also add some realism to your boxcars. So here is a close-up of the couplers I am using for this for my boxcars. Hopefully you can see it without too much glare here. And they can be kind of pricey. I think it's around maybe $23 per pack, if I'm not mistaken. So this is what all the boxcars look like with the installed Kadee couplers. Adds a little realism to your cars, and like I said before, it's kind of pricey. It's usually around $23 a pack, but it's well worth the money because once you install them and you hook up your trains to one another, they stay together. They're easy to take apart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and the subscribe button so you can keep up to date on our latest videos. Until next time, guys, have a good one.